I don't know why, but why don't we just try Alabama's Barker makeup routine? Cause like her makeup looks so good. Like, girl, how you do like that? Let's try it. So I'm gonna start off putting some of this e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer on, and I'm crying twice cause she got a lot of powder on her face, and I don't do that. It's gonna be white. Turn into a green goblin. It's clear, Bookie. It's clear.
I thought it was gonna be green.
No. No.
Why would you say something like that?
Who, me? Little old me? I was just telling the truth. You saying I'm not little? You saying I'm fat?
The only thing that's little is your nose and that age.
Go home, bro. What? Okay, so she only feels in the ends of her brows. I don't think that's her. Okay, so. And my eyebrows are also so uneven, like already, just naturally. I don't know if I can tell, but yeah, it's really ugly. So I guess she takes some brow gel and she make them go up, up. No. No, you sound like so then she moves on to her eyelids and she puts concealer in her eyelids. I'm just going with this e.l.f. camo concealer. Bro, I don't like how she do this, because why is she going with her eyelids first? I don't know what, I don't even know why I'm complaining when her makeup look like that. I know this concealer is a lot too light for me. I'm gonna use my other concealer, but yeah, so now I like a crackhead. She takes this like light brown color and go around her whatever, her eyelid. So then she does liquid eyeliner, but I don't have any on me right now. So I'm just, I don't know, not do liquid eyeliner. This is brown. Yeah, this is dark brown. No, make it work, because I'm really just here for the base. That's all I want. Try my best over here. I hate eyeliner. Anyways, this time my eyeliner turned out, I hate eyeliner, but it actually did not turn out that bad. So let's move on to the next thing. So now she's priming, and of course you gotta go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip, because she putting a lot of stuff on her face, you know, and I don't do that. Like I do, but I don't, and I don't, but I do. Yeah, so now she's going in with foundation, and she basically is like paint her face. The one thing I don't really like is that it has an olive undertone. And then she uses beauty blender, and I don't use beauty blender when I do foundation. But I'm gonna do what the queen told me to do. We're gonna do this concealer. Basically, what she does is take a darker concealer and I'll put that basically everywhere on her face. Not everywhere, but like everywhere. I don't know what I want to use, because I would use this one, but this one is really patchy. So now it's time to blend it, and I'm gonna lie, I'm scared. She said she blends it slowly. Okay, so now that I look pale, she takes some bronzer, some cream bronzer. I don't have any cream bronzer, but I do have some dark foundation. I'll take some. Yeah. She does her mental criteria. I'm going to brush on my forehead. I don't think she does it in her forehead, but I know y'all see my forehead. What? Because I love my nose on tour with the passion. Like, look at it. I want it to actually like look beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, you know. And then she goes back in under her eye and like some concealer. Hopefully, yeah. And she kind of just leaves it there to let it sit. So then she does lashes. And I don't have any lashes because I don't like lashes. Because I love lashes, but I don't have any on me. I don't think this is gonna work. Alabama? You're not be playing with my heart right now. Because it never works for me. But she may have just changed that for me. So for lips, she basically just does like a little brownie glaze. She overlines. I don't overline, but I will overline the tiniest bit for her because she killed this makeup. You can't even see it. I don't have a pink finger, so I just use bring it in a little bit. Halo, halo, I can see a halo. Halo, I can see a halo. So now she's doing a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of contour. So don't tell me the difference. I know there is a difference. I just don't know what the difference is necessarily. Get that forehead real good. Get that forehead real good. Alright. She goes in some blush. This is close. She didn't look highly blush it up. My favorite part was just highlighter. And I only put highlighter on my nose. But it's let's see. I'm mixing like two lip glosses so they look like kind of flares, and it's this gold one that's like really freaking old that I stole from my mom because it's really pretty and it smells good. And this one, I don't know, that I use a lot, and it's really sparkly, so yeah. Cute, right? Right. I'm gonna do some setting spray. So now I am completely finished. It is honestly just like, it's like gorgeous. Like I'm looking at it in the mirror and I'm like, dang, I look gorgeous, right? Beautiful, right? And then I'm looking at it in here and I'm like, I look gorgeous, beautiful, right? Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. I'm gonna get some better lighting though, cause yeah, and I'm gonna take a couple of pictures cause this is cute. Like Alabama, you killed that.